Okay, this is just a very quick one. This is having a look at a sink which is not draining as quickly as I would like it to. It's not clogged. You can see it is draining, but it's just a bit slow. So I'm going to have a go at this. Not a blockage, it's just going to be a bit sort of clogged up from use. I mean, over time you get the grime and maybe sort of bits of hair and stuff like that stuck in there. So I'm going to do this, no chemicals at all. Just going to use the old-fashioned sink plunger, which I picked up the other day for dirt cheap. So I've filled the sink with water. I've shoved that over the hole, so I know there's water down the plug hole now. So this is over the hole. Give it a squeeze. I'm just going to, and basically just, and the attempt here is to agitate the water. Now, hey, I have made the schoolboy error. Right, hang on, pause. Right, take two. So why is that never going to work? It's never going to work because you've got the overflow here. So all you're doing is pumping air up and down there, and it's going to be coming out of here. That's not going to do anything. So, I'll wet that, just to increase the effectiveness of it. So what you need to do is shove something in that hole. Right, so a bit more water, and we'll try again. Okay, so plug out, plunger on. Oh yeah, I can feel it. It's actually got suction now. Before it was just coming up and down really freely. It's actually sucking. Oh dear. And there's stuff coming up. You don't want to see it again, do you? This reminds me of a time when I had a septic tank cleaned. That's another story. Oh, it smells as well. So there is stuff down there. I am agitating it, and some of it is coming up here. Oh my goodness. You see those big bits there? Okay, I'm going to have to clean those out, I think. You might notice the plug hole's a bit pink from, that's the stuff that you use to help you show if you're cleaning your teeth properly. Oh, that is smelly stuff. Okay, let's get rid of that. Now, just try filling it again now. Now, like I say, it was draining. It was not clogged. This isn't going to be dramatic. It just wasn't draining as quickly as I would like. And yeah, I don't really want to be chucking chemicals down the sewer system, because it's only going to go from here to the sewage works and then into the sea. That's not good for anyone. So let's have a go, see how this is. Moment of truth. That is more like it. That is how I would like it to be draining. So we usually have the plug in like that. Use my lovely rag to wipe it down. And there you go. Job's a good one. So freeing up your sink drainage. No chemicals, just a plunger. These are cheap as chips. And away you go. Stay lucky, stay intrepid, keep crafting. Take care.